Hey guys, so what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? Hope y'all doing really well and have another good day. In this video, I'm going to tell you a story regarding my IB-Link BMK1 and how this single ASIC almost made me a millionaire. Just a disclaimer, it didn't, alright? The almost there means that yeah, I completely failed, and I've made very bad choices regarding the Kadena that this thing mines. So I'll talk about that later, guys. I just thought I'd start off with that. You guys have heard, or probably seen already, that Kadena has gone literally to the moon and has gone up, I think, almost like 1,000% in the past couple weeks here, 2 weeks or so. It's been pretty nuts. I think the height of the price when Kadena went up was, I think, $25. And here we are today, as of recording, it's around $20, which is still insane. I remember Kadena being like 50, 30 cents for the longest time, and I received a Kadena miner from Crypto Miner Bros back in, it was, let's see here, December of 2020. Okay, beginning December of 2020. And the price of Kadena at that time was 17 cents. So you guys know the little backstory there of when I received it. Now, IB-Link BMK1, just to tell you guys the specs, okay? It does 5.3 terahash at 835 watts. And as of right now, showing on ASIC miner value, it makes like $131 a day. So it never ever made $131 a day. Never. And so that's because the price has gone up so high and the network hash rate hasn't followed that. Okay, there's just not enough hardware out there to garner this profitability, right? But I have been watching the network hash rate rise. Okay, it's at 58 petahash now. And when I first started, it was like, I think 3. So you can see here that the difficulty has been rising since August 21st. It's just been going up and up and up and up and up. And so I think this is when Goldshell started making KDA miners, IB-Link, you know, probably making more BMK1s and so on and so forth. And so, yeah, it's just been going up and up and up since then. And so here we are. This one that I have specifically, okay, it's been doing really well. It was doing well all year. It was still staying profitable all year, around $13 to $20 a day, sometimes $30 a day. It was very random over the year, okay? And then now, obviously, showing about $121 a day. And so if you guys are looking to buy one of these right now, you probably can't. All right, you just can't, and I think it's already too late. People that are wanting to get into Kadena or mining Kadena, it's already far gone, in my opinion. You've missed the boat, and if you are wanting to buy these, or maybe a Goldshell KD5 18 terahash Kadena miner, which right now makes $447 a day, you would be paying 54 grand. Okay, and that is something I do not recommend. I don't know how long this profitability is going to last, but it's like buying at the top, it feels. That's what I feel. That not financial advice. You guys can do whatever you want, but I'm just saying this price for the KD5 was, I think, $15,000 or $10,000 maybe a couple months ago. In hindsight, you should have bought it back then if you wanted to mine Kadena and if you believed that Kadena would have gone up this high. And I'm one of those people who didn't believe that Kadena would go up this high, okay? And I want to like touch on many videos that I made regarding the IB-Link BMK1, and I've made many like monthly profit videos of this thing, and I want to go through some numbers here, guys, that it's probably going to blow your mind. And I'm also going to touch on just how much Kadena this thing has mined for like the whole year and how it's almost made me a millionaire. All right, so I want to go through the numbers now, and this is something you guys are probably waiting for to see how much, you know, Kadena I've mined over the past year. But I just want to touch on that I've made many videos regarding the IB-Link BMK1, okay? And, you know, did the unboxing video, and I noticed that the power supply, it's quite interesting. It's like built in at the top there, and I do want to talk about later on. Okay, I'll show you guys a video. Thank you to Yankee, by the way. You guys should go subscribe to him. I have my IB-Link hosted with him, but it died. Okay, I'll talk about that later. Anyways, going through the numbers, okay, the numbers of the first week of mining, the 1 month, 2 months, and the video I talk about breaking even on it, okay? So the first week we mined 1,057 Kadena, and at that time that was worth 178 USD. Okay, so 1078 Kadena. As of recording right now, 1057, that would be worth almost $22,000. Second video, okay, the IB-Link BMK1 ASIC miner 1 month actual profits total with that 1 week was 5,139 Kadena. Okay, 5,139. So that's over almost $110,000 USD right now. Oh my god, if I held on to it. 2 months now, okay, 7904. This includes the first month, okay, so 7904. 7904. So the first 2 months, this thing has garnered, would have garnered almost 170,000 USD. Okay, if I held on to it. Now, the last video I think I made on the IB-Link BMK1 was I broke even on it in 69 days. The initial cost and plus my electric, okay, which was, so the initial cost of the IB-Link on Crypto Miner Bros was $37.50, and plus my electric was $112.47. And just so some of you guys don't know, here's how I did the math. Okay, 850 watts, which is pretty good, right? Pretty good. And then, so total with that was 3,862 together. So we broke even on that. And you can see right here on CoinGecko, I had 95.38, okay? As that's how much we've mined, 95.38, 69 days. So if I held on to that, right, 69 days worth of this Kadena, that would be worth right now $203,000 USD. That is insane, right? That is just shocking to me. I did a straw poll asking how should I break even or ROI on the IB-Link BMK1, and so I had trade Kadena into BTC every day, trade Kadena into BTC once a month, or trade Kadena into USDT every day, or hodl the Kadena until full break even. And actually, what I wanted to show you, you guys voted, trade the Kadena into BTC every day, and guess what? I didn't listen to you guys. I did hodl the Kadena until full break even ROI. And it goes to show that's what I did, right? It goes to show that it shows the results in my videos. But that's what I did, right? I didn't listen to the majority of people that went into BTC, but I didn't hodl that Kadena, okay? I actually did trade it into BTC early on, like not, but like before the run up, okay? Like before even this run up here of like $1. Okay, it was more so down here around 50, 58, 60 cents or so is when I traded it into, I think it was just into Bitcoin. But now you guys are wondering, you know, total. So it's been a good 11 months that I've had this IB-Link BMK1. And yeah, it actually died like a couple weeks ago, which I'll talk about right after this. So I did some calculations. This IB-Link BMK1 has mined total of about 38,000 Kadena. That's if I held on to all of it. Okay, that's if I held on to it. So that would be worth almost $800,000 as of recording. Well, it was actually almost $950,000. Okay, if I sold at the peak of when Kadena was like $25.50 or something. So just insane, just insanity. And you guys are probably asking, Red Panda, did you make this much? No, obviously not. Like I said, the Kadena that I mined in the past, even the past couple months, is not worth that much now. Okay, definitely it's a good amount, but not this number. Okay, just to let you guys know, I wish, man, if I held on to this would be the greatest story ever. But I'm just telling you guys, this is a failed story for me. Like, man, if I just in hindsight, I should have just kept it all and wait up for this massive pump. Oh man, it's just crazy. Anyways, guys, let me know your thoughts about that. But I just want to now touch on the broken power supply. I'm not quite sure what it is, and Yankee and I, we're not quite sure what it is, because I've never seen this type of a bus bar on the power supply going into the hashing board. Okay, so it doesn't power on anymore. All right, so that is the biggest thing, and so I'm losing out like how much money right now? $131 a day. Okay, it's dead right now. So if you guys have any leads on maybe replacing this power supply or something, I do have a couple people that I may send it to fix. So, but yeah, if you guys want to check out this video from Yankee, I'll have him linked down below. Please subscribe to him. You can check this video out and see if you guys can troubleshoot it. Look at what's going on here. And yeah, I can't find a power supply replacement for it. So if there is something out there, that would be awesome. Anyways, guys, let me know if any of you have one of these IB-Link BMK1s, and if you hodled it all the way up until now and you're just laughing, or if you have one of these gold shell KD5s that you bought maybe a couple months ago, not at $54,000. Anyways, guys, I just can't believe that Kadena has gone up this much and I'm still shocked. Another thing maybe some people are maybe asking is, Red Panda, why did Kadena go up in price? To answer that, I have absolutely no idea. I've been reading some articles. Here's one here from Cointelegraph. 3 reasons why Kadena price went up on a 500% parabolic frenzy. I think it was more like 1,000% if you count the bottom of Kadena price. But they say here the reasons real quick. They say Kadena joins the DeFi brigade. So they recently launched a wrap version of its token called WKDA. They got NFT projects launching on Kadena, and they got also new exchange listings and staking opportunities on Kadena. And another thing I thought of is Flux, because Flux also has the parallel assets, Flux KDA. So I don't know if that has to do with anything or some market making event of some sort. I'm not quite sure. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts. And yeah, I appreciate you all. I'll see you all in the next one. Have a good one. And if you guys can help me find a power supply, that'd be great. All right, guys, with bus bars. Have a good one, and peace out.